Coherent breathing is one of the most effective and elegant ways to support your nervous system and energy, especially during times of transition. And in this audio recording, I have a gift of guided breathing exercise for you to reset and realign with your natural rhythm and inner harmony. The practice is suitable for all ages and levels of experience. It is for everyone who feels the resonance and the calling to immerse themselves into it. You may also hear drops of water and snow on my window. In case you wonder what are the sounds beyond my voice. So the nature surrounds us with the harmony and the beauty of the season and the quiet falling of the snow. So that's that for you to immerse yourself into the presence and the peace of the white snow falling around you. When you breathe in a slow, even rhythm, you send a direct signal of safety to your body. It's a complement to your nervous system, and it naturally and organically calms down. Your energy reorganizes and your mind softens as you listen to my guided coherent counting. So as you immerse yourself into this practice, my voice in a way hijacks your mind and allows you to land and anchor in your body in very organic emotion. And this is biological and energetic self-regulation for the body. A quick pause in 4x4 coherent breath. Gently balance your nervous system by calming stress responses, stabilizing your energy and emotional field, improving heart-brain coherence, and restoring inner rhythm and steadiness. For us as sensitive women, coherent breathing is especially powerful because it reduces sensory overload. It anchors a very special awareness of safety and silence into the body. It supports emotional regulation without any suppression, and it creates space between sensation and reaction, or what we prefer to do is response. It actually allows you to respond instead of react by creating space between the sensation and the response as you pause and take 2 minutes of the breath. As your breath becomes coherent and works along the intention you install, your energy resets your presence, and your entire body is anchoring into a different state of being. You will notice your thoughts slowing down or completely disappearing at some point in time as you allow the practice to unfold for you daily. Emotions move more smoothly through you, through the body, as you allow the pause between the emotion that you feel and the response that you're willing to give. Your body naturally begins to feel more safe, more grounded, relaxed, and more present. The practice overall helps you to return to your center whenever you need, not by effort, but by rhythm. So whenever you need to pause and you don't know what to do, or you don't want to do anything necessarily, you can return to that practice. You don't need to change anything. You don't need to fix anything, but just pause and allow your breath to guide your system back into coherence and simplicity. So let's begin. This is a gentle, regulating practice. Let your breath lead and settle the pace, and allow your body do what it naturally knows how to do, as it organically opens up to its own intelligence and consciousness. I invite you to create quiet space for yourself and set an intention towards the outcome and the impact you are willing to integrate for yourself through the breath and the life force that moves through you. To begin, take a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or in a chair. If you are seated in a chair, plant both of your feet flat on the ground, about hips width distance apart, and keep the spine away from the support of the chair. Remember to sit up tall, but then relax just a little bit so your lower abdomen is soft. Today we will breathe in and out through our nose only, with our belly. And we'll use this more as a metaphor and as a physical reference in our body. Yet, what we are really doing is deep diaphragmatic breathing. So let's begin. Body is relaxed, eyes are closed, chin is parallel to the ground, slightly towards the chest. Your hands can either rest lightly in your lap or place them on your knees or on your thighs, depends how you feel more comfortably. Let's breathe together and try to keep the rhythm and the pace of the practice nice and steady. Inhale through the nose, belly rises. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly falls. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rises. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly falls. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rises. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly falls. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rises. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly falls. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rises. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly falls. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly falls. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rises. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Final round. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax and breathe normally. Eyes are closed. Allow a minute of silence and presence with your body, mind, and energy. Pay attention to what has shifted. Appreciate this moment and allow the shift to integrate. Just give permission for the shift to move through you and to integrate naturally. Practice this breath as many times a day as you need to reset your nervous system or to comfort yourself and feel safe and calm in your own body and mind. Let me know what has shifted within and share with me in the comments below. Feel free to journal in your diary what has shifted for you since the beginning of the practice. Allow what has shifted to integrate. Keep yourself well hydrated and share with me any questions you may have meanwhile. Take care of yourself. Allow that practice to take you on a journey of longevity for your energy, body, and mind. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.